101.1 Smartfm Spirit of Indonesia. So give your applause first. Yeah, as usually, every Tuesday we have an English meeting. Okay, namely English program, Smart of Your Life with English Communities. Yep, of course, I'm not alone here. We have friends here from English Communities. Before we enter the material, the topic today about capital city. Of course, I would like to know about your name. You can introduce yourself, like your name, your English club, English communities, and when is the schedule. Okay, what time, for example, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, or and so on. Okay, we start from my left side. Okay, time is yours. Okay.
Okay, this is good evening, everybody.
Okay, good evening.
Yeah, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yeah.
I want to introduce myself. Yeah.
Yeah.
My name is Abdul Majid. I'm a representative of the BPC.
Yep.
Yeah, it's like that. I've been meeting there more than 20 years.
Oh, more than 20 years. Oh my God.
Now.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we are going to talk about the topic now.
Yeah, the topic. The topic about IKN.
Yeah, IKN is Special New City of Indonesia.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, this is we express our opinion about it.
Yeah.
Yeah. How long the duration about it? To talk?
Perhaps more
minutes.
than 1 hours perhaps, yeah.
All of us.
Yeah.
1 hour. Of course, at least 10 minutes, yeah, for everybody,
that's right.
because sometimes twice, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Talking about the IKN,
yeah. Oh, by the way, what should I call your name?
yeah, only Majid aja. Only
Okay,
Majid,
Mr.
only.
Majid.
Yeah, Mr. Majid.
Okay,
right, yeah.
thank you so much for that.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Okay. Well, next, perhaps your name, and also your communities, and what is the schedule? Tuesday and what time? Okay.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
Okay.
Well, I'm Rahmi, Selamat Rahmi, and I'm UFR.
Okay,
UFR.
FR. Okay.
UFR, United English Forum, UF Makassar.
Oh, I see. Where's the place?
It is located in Uin
Okay,
Makassar.
Uin. Oh, yeah.
But there are some students from Unismu and M also join UF.
Okay.
Yeah, good.
Not only Uin, yeah?
Not only Uin, but students or people who stay in Makassar can join in UF.
Oh, I see.
Every Sunday too.
Yeah. It's same with BBC.
Yeah, BBC of Sunday morning.
Okay. Then I was in UF. I begin study in UF when I was in third semester. Then I ever became the coordinator of a grammar device in 2019. Actually, this is my first time speaking in front of
the radio.
Camera. This is a great opportunity to me.
Yeah.
And for the information, when I was in UF, our agenda, we used to conduct TOEFL free meeting for not only for UF but for people who want to study about
even
TOEFL.
me.
Yes, of course.
Oh,
yeah, good, yeah.
Good, yeah.
At the end, I mean that in weekend, then we can learn study about the structure and many other class also.
Okay.
Maybe for friends who want to study English, who are staying in Sumatra, you may join us.
Okay, let's join in there. Okay, thank you so much for that,
you.
and that's really nice information for us. Okay, next, perhaps you from let's see, where are you from?
Okay, good evening, everyone.
Okay, good evening.
My name is Irwan, representing Hasanuddin English community. And my community is located in Unhas, but it's actually open for everyone. So the name is Hasanuddin, but it doesn't really mean it belongs to Unhas. It opens for everyone.
Okay.
And currently we conduct the meeting every Friday night, but it's online meeting right now because of it's holiday. So everyone is going back to their
I see.
Their village, yeah.
That's
their
right.
hometown. So that's why we prefer to conduct online meeting for this month.
So how the people can conduct the meeting? I mean, the information about the meeting.
You may follow our Instagram hack underscore Makassar,
Okay.
and by following our account, you can see our activities. For right now, our main activity is English discussion. I guess
Okay,
it's almost the same like
Yeah,
Next
yeah.
and
Masale,
other
yeah.
communities. And also you can find more information about English language or about American English culture
that's
on
right.
our Instagram. So please follow our Instagram.
Yeah, okay.
Hack underscore Makassar.
Yeah, we will follow that later.
Good information.
Okay, good information. Yeah. Thank you so much for that, brother. Okay, give it applause first. Yeah. Are you ready, guys?
Yeah.
So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So tonight we're gonna talk about IKN or
Yeah.
New Capital City in Indonesia.
Yeah.
As we know, the capital city in Indonesia, like in Jakarta right now,
Yeah.
but there are some issues that the capital city will move in Kalimantan.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
North Kalimantan.
North Kalimantan, perhaps. Yeah, we call in Indonesia we call Ibu Kota
Negara
Negara.
baru.
Yeah, Negara Baru. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's really interesting topic to talk.
Yeah, that's right.
Start from my right side. Yeah, so is it effective if people, like if the capital city of Indonesia move to Kalimantan? So what do you think about that topic? Yeah, start from you.
Okay, talking about IKN,
Hmm?
our new capital city.
Okay.
Okay, I think that is it effective or no?
Yeah.
So far, I cannot make a conclusion that it will be effective or not. But in my opinion, if the capital city will be moved to Kalimantan, I think it's better enough because as we know that in Jakarta is there are so many population of people who
Yeah.
stay there. Then if we move to Kalimantan, we can avoid the flood
Yeah, that's
and
right.
also traffic jam and also it make the effective to the government to conduct their program
Yeah.
so that there is we can they can success their program and others.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah, that's really right. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because in Jakarta right now is too crowded.
Yeah.
So do you, yeah.
Dense to the population.
Yeah, that's right. There are a lot of population over there, so they should move. Okay, welcome our brother. Yeah, can you introduce yourself first and your English meeting and what is the schedule in Tuesday, Sunday, Monday? Okay.
Well, thank you for the chances given to me. Hello, Smartfm.
Okay.
Well, my name is Aldan Wiranata. I'm a college student taking a civil engineering departments. So nice to meet you guys.
Okay, nice to meet you too.
Actually, I'm from MAX or Almarkas for Kudi Enlightening Studies, which is also English club like the others English meetings. We are conducting an English meetings every Tuesday, and Saturday.
Oh, three
so
times.
it's located in 3 times.
Okay.
So if you wanted to join, just come in Masjid Al Markas. So
Okay.
everyone may join.
Okay, that's good information actually. So there are 3 times in Al Markas, yeah?
Al Markas.
Wow, okay, thank you so much for that. And next to you, okay, just talk about the IKN. So is it effective if the IKN move from Jakarta to Kalimantan? IKN means like capital city. Okay, thanks,
okay.
yours.
Okay, thank you very much for the question. For me, I really agree with if the capital is moved to North Kalimantan.
Yeah,
because I feel like it's a very strategic location because it is exactly like in the middle of Indonesia. So I feel like it can help the Eastern Indonesia to get more developed. And like our sister said before, like Java Island has been so crowded.
Yeah, so crowded
So I
right
feel
now.
like and everything is centered on Java Island. So it's like the entertainment, the government, the education, like everything is centered on Java Island. So I think it's a really brilliant idea if the capital city is relocated to North Kalimantan. And another reason that really makes me that really makes me think that this is a brilliant idea is because compare with the Southeast Asian countries, especially their capital city, it's always be like in the north area. But people from the north countries like Japan or Europe, when they visit Indonesia, like it's quite more expensive. The flight is more expensive rather compared to visit like Singapore, Malaysia, or Vietnam, because they are closer to these countries rather than to Indonesia. So I think by choosing North Kalimantan as capital city, then I think it's gonna be the flight will be more affordable for people.
I see.
Yeah, so I guess hopefully in the future, people from the other countries not only transit in Singapore on Kuala Lumpur, but they can also transit in Kalimantan, and then get the flight to other countries. Because I'm kind of envy with these countries, because like so many people visit these countries because of their location, their strategic location. So I think that's very good idea.
Wow, that's really nice. Oh yeah, of course. Because it's too near Kalimantan and Singapore, Brunei. Of course, the flight also not too far.
Easy to transit there.
Different in Jakarta, it's too far. We should wait a long time in airplane. Of course, it's. If they move in Kalimantan, is near right now. Okay, that's nice point of view. And what about your point of view, sir?
Okay. Talking about the special new capital city, I think they set up the capital of Indonesia, Jakarta, more than 78 years.
70?
Since 45 until now. And this we call dense population there. The crowded one. And sometimes it's easy to plot. Sometimes
that's right.
Every rainy season is the problem. I think it's a good if to move over there in North Kalimantan. They knew about the capital city over there. Even though it's maybe take about the budget so expensive like this one.
It's too expensive
not just
right now.
But trillion like this one. And this is the problem. Indonesia still have much debt outside from foreign countries.
Right.
This is the problem. Of course, this is if move over there, the new capital city. Of course, responsibility of Indonesian people too. Because we have to pay little by little until finish our debt. Because mostly our debt, because it's happened since the late of president of Suharto, our debt. Every year is 80, and until
we
couldn't handle anymore. Not just only 11 countries, but the mass one from Mexico. This is until we couldn't have the fifth country, the much debt in the world. Include the fifth country, Indonesia.
It could be.
But during our new president leader, we can have to say reduce a little bit, because we have how to say the special resources so much. But still we couldn't explore it.
That's
problem,
right.
Special oil and other, and special we call how to say in gold and other, mining and other. You have so many gold, including mining. This is actually good now because we can reduce, we can pay little by little. And the president check about his his deposit of the late of President Suharto. More than 999 trillion.
It's too much.
In his reach. Because only one president of in the world can ask about the budget of the late of President Suharto. Only one president in the world, only Jokowi. And he asked more than 99 trillion.
That's right.
I don't know Jokowi the statement now can handle 50% or not, because mostly their money, the budget of to keep in Swiss bank, this is actually from the people of Indonesia. Because we have many budget here. We have many resources. Yeah, from the special mining. Yeah, and another oil too. Yeah, rattan and other. Yeah, this actually. According to the foreign people say that Indonesia the richest one in the world, but the problem the management.
Oh, the management is okay.
I see the management about it. Of course, Indonesia included the third country in the world, the third of the corrupter in the world.
Oh, yeah.
Because mostly high rank people here, mostly corruptor. If get a good job, this is mostly corrupt.
Oh, I
because
see.
There is a prophecy. I do hope to your my follower. There are two message for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, two eye. Do you know two eye? Indonesia say two eye iman dan ilmu.
Oh,
if you science maths, then page.
Yeah, you have good religion.
Not good. If you have good religion,
yeah.
if you don't have good religion, but also how to say science or knowledge is maths then. Iman or faith,
I see.
This is mostly corrupt.
Yeah, we should
we must balance.
With that.
Yeah, this is faith and knowledge.
Yeah.
Iman dan pengetahuan harus seimbang. This
wow.
According to the bestseller of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that before he died. Say that to all of my followers, like you must keep well about my. How to say warning about special two eye. This is the problem. Of course, I see that because we include if compare like because our how to say that our law here is how to say weak.
Oh, the law is really weak.
Weak, yeah. This different Japan. If Japan like the corruptor must be suicide.
Yeah.
Yeah, alone because he say the same about it. I suicide.
Yeah.
Because mostly Japanese like suicide harakiri like this one because of their shyness. Malu though.
Yeah.
Yeah, mesti bunuh diri. But for Indonesia, no, without sign like this one. Even though the best about mostly. Yeah, if compare about that, this is a lot of corruptor in Indonesia.
Yeah.
This is the problem because they don't know about the people. They don't know for himself and family. This is the problem. Until trillion.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, the post our president, late President Suharto, 99 trillion. This is corruptor.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the problem. Thank
you. Thank you so much for that. Okay, this really nice information actually because start from the history about Suharto and something like that, and we already know about it and we understand. Okay, thank you so much for that, for your new information for us. Yeah, next same question actually. So do you think is it effective if Jakarta, like the capital city of Indonesia, move to Kalimantan? Yeah, what do you think about it?
Such a big question, yeah.
Yeah.
Why do we have to move, right? Why do we move from Jakarta to North Kalimantan? So the reason why we move is first because we know that the capital city must be big, right? The capital city must be wider. So Jakarta is really smart. It's really small. It's pretty small.
Oh yeah.
Because small cities, right? Compared to North Kalimantan is 10 times bigger than Jakarta.
Yeah.
Of course, we need a capital city which is really big, which is can actually put some sector which is from educations and also the governments. So all sector has to be bigger. So and as we know that Jakarta, the available of empty space in Jakarta only 8%, right? 8%. It's pretty small, 8%.
Oh
empty
my God.
space.
Yeah.
So we cannot actually build anything. I mean, with 8%, right? We wanted to make everything available in Jakarta, while a lot of people are living in Jakarta too much. So which is
too much noisy.
With
there is no place again.
There is no space again, right? If you wanted to make a mall again, a lot of businessmen are trying to invest to build a school. A lot of schools, there is no space anymore. So we have to move, right?
Yeah.
If we actually force these kind of things, if we actually force these kind of things, then we are getting a lot of problems, right? Now we see Jakarta with its complexities, its problems. So it cannot be moved unless we try to make great ideas. And this is a great ideas what I means to solve all the problems.
Yeah.
Right? Let's say in United States, for example, there actually each city has its own functions, right? Let's say in Hollywood. Hollywood is focusing on entertainment, right? This city, the place of Hollywood focusing on entertainment, right? But in other place like that, there are some places which is focused on education and other sectors like business things. So we have to actually put them not in together, but we have to separate them.
Oh yeah,
so that's why
right. That's right. Yeah.
So this is actually the aim of the new capital cities, that they are going to make some sectors. This is for culinary, for example, or this kind of things for the educations. So that's not really crowded in one place, right?
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So I think it's a really amazing and brilliant ideas for solving all the problems. As we can see that if a place which is overpopulated, it will be giving an impact to the clean waters, right, and also disasters. So if you don't want this kind of things happen to Jakarta, then we have to making a breakthroughs.
Yeah.
We have to take a decision which is very fast and also with a lot of considerations. If we don't take this chance, for example, then you will facing a lot of problems, especially in Jakarta.
You could become president, yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
So,
good idea.
Yeah,
that's right.
Yeah, I think that's all.
Okay, thank you so much for that. Wow, that's really nice opinion actually, because they like compare between America and Indonesia, like not only in one center, but we should separate in the other, like education, like entertainment, separate business and something like that. The government place and whatever. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much for your nice information, brother. Yeah, of course, when we move from Jakarta, the capital city, from Jakarta to Kalimantan, North Kalimantan, yeah, of course, there are like negative and positive things, of course, like of course, one things we can get two sides, negative and positive. Even that's good, of course, there is a negative and also positive things. Yeah, we start from my right side. Okay, again. Yeah. So what do you think about the positive side and also the negative side if we move the capital city from Jakarta to Kalimantan? Okay, I told you. Okay, you know the answer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you for the question. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So any decisions has positive and negative, of course, right?
Yeah.
The first problem that I'm facing since this kind of issues appears among society is about a wariness, which is people tend to not believe in the governments. Probably, they are take advantages with this kind of project, right? Or take some money from it. This is actually the things, but hope it's not happens. So, and then this is actually, some people think it's a very rush actually, because it's too fast. Because this is a big project, right? It has to take a lot of times to be focused on, involve a lot of peoples, involve a lot of scholars before taking these things. And some people think it's too fast.
Yeah, that's right.
At least like if you wanted to make this kind of things, then you have to make long preparations. Well, this issue only appears like 2 years ago, right? And then now it's under constructions. So yeah, I mean, that's actually the first problem, right? It has to be long journey before we'll start to construct the buildings itself. That's the first problem. The second problem is as a civil engineering, right?
You are from engineering major. Okay, that's why.
This kind of construction, because this is a really big constructions. Of course, it giving impact to some people around the areas, right? Or the constructions. When the construction is happen, for example, it could become flood. Actually, it could become disasters from some areas around the North Kalimantan, right?
Okay.
But I think governments already anticipate this kind of things, which is not gonna happens, because disaster is actually we cannot stop it, right? But we cannot minimize the risk of the disaster itself. That's right. So I do believe that I actually strongly believe the government, because they actually involve a lot of peoples and a lot of they're making an agreement as well, and they have already anticipate by giving attentions or giving warnings to people around the areas what they have to do before doing these constructions. So they have to make a deal with people around the areas, so everyone is safe and the building constructions and the constructions are safe as well. So that's of course, we talk about positive again. Yeah. One thing that is actually really important that we have to know that these cities will giving a lot of will giving it's a big solutions or any of other areas. For example, a lot of investment wanted to build. So any activities in Jakarta will move into North Kalimantan. So people who live in Jakarta no longer worry about, or especially the real region from Jakarta, right? No longer worry about pollutions or floodings. Yeah. So this kind of things that we are actually facing, right? So by moving to North Kalimantan, it will be more comfortable in each areas, Jakarta and North Kalimantan, and people will actually get a job because it's a bright future, yeah. It's a bright future for a lot of people, especially as a civil engineering, right? You know, a lot of business and everything are just well. So,
Move over there for you later. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's really nice opinion actually, because you bring your own side from the civil engineering, because he from that's right, he from engineering majoring, so that's really nice. Okay, that's right. Okay, and move to you. So what is the negative and the positive side if we move the capital city from Jakarta to Kalimantan? Okay, time is yours.
I talk about the positive one, like that.
Oh, the positive one. Okay,
this piece of new capital city. Now in Jakarta, of course, this is we call this is so vicious there.
Okay,
and the population is so dense.
Oh, I see.
This one. This is better if we move over there. But the problem, the positive one over there, because the location is fresh. It's like getting over the flooding. This is the one. The surrounding mostly all tree there. You can find it there. All of the surrounding there. Of course, it's called cool and other. And the second one, the other one, this is the center of the for transit. Kalimantan and the other area, Sulawesi, Java, Kalimantan and the other. This better Kalimantan.
Oh, why?
Because the region of the the governor of the North Kalimantan already agreed about it to move over there, and they prepare the location more than 699 hectares. So large.
Oh,
more than 10 times.
It's
Jakarta.
too large,
it's too large. Okay. This is the positive one, And
the positive one.
And the other, this is mostly unemployment. Get a job there.
Oh,
especially.
Like you.
Need about engineering. Because how to describe about the building, of course, need engineering. The second one, how to be getting planning like this, of course, need about the technical too. Like this and all of them. We need about the schooler, many schooler. We need it to build about the new capital city. And this is the negative one, of course. The problem needs a lot of budget.
That's the point actually.
But more than 1,000 trillion. More 1,000 trillion.
It's too expensive.
So expensive, this problem. And this is for our new president think about it. Now just do it or build up the building there little by little.
Okay. Step by step,
step by step. Not once and finish, no.
Because
needed
of course.
At least 20 years. According to UK, 20 years later, can finish about the building because need a lot of budget. Actually, there are many countries to invest, foreign country, to invest over there. There are many to invest, investor from outside, from foreign country to invest the capital here of the new city, capital city. But the problem, think about it, how to pay it, even though without the interest, tanpa bunga, according to the president said. But the problem, how to retain in a duration more than 50 years. 50 tahun kembali itu uang. According to the from the Mexico, the first. There is from Switzerland. There are 5 countries already invest here. For them, I have read from newspaper and from the how to say that television too.
I
say that. And now already done it, and many building already, and many investors come there to build up their special for the officer already.
Okay.
Because so large over there, and the first already about the route already.
Okay.
Yeah, not from the butong asphalt, but from the concrete.
Yeah. Well, okay, that's really nice. Yeah,
the first.
Okay. Okay, guys. Wait a minute, because we will hold this discussion, but don't go anywhere because we will continue it later. Okay.
Special breaking, yeah.
Okay. Okay, we are back in 101.1 Smart FM Makassar. So let's continue the topic. Yeah. Move to you. Yeah. Yeah, same question actually from you. Like, what is the negative and positive impact if we move the Jakarta, like the capital city from Jakarta to Kalimantan? Okay, so what do you think about it? Yeah, start from you.
Thank you so much for the second question.
Okay, the second question. Yeah, okay.
Well, when we make a choice, of course, we have to face the positive, and also the negative impact, and so do the government of Indonesia. I think that when the positive impact of moving the capital city from Jakarta to Kalimantan,
okay,
one of them is as we know that Kalimantan is wider than Jakarta, and also when we make Kalimantan as the capital city, it will damage the environment there and also destroy the animals who live there.
Oh yeah, that's right.
And
there are a lot of animal over there.
Yes.
Yeah, that's right.
I mean that is the negative impact. And also then as we know that in the first time we people who live in Kalimantan, I mean that who live long time before Kalimantan made as the capital city will feel such as culture shock.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yes,
culture shock over there because the culture is different.
I think that they have to.
Yeah, that's right.
I think that they need long enough time to adaptate. Then for positive impact, as we know that, as I agree with some opinion before, Kalimantan is the middle.
In the middle of
Indonesia.
Yeah, that's right.
So when Kalimantan becomes capital city of Indonesia, people can easily access there. Such as we are staying in Makassar. Yeah, we can go there easy. Then we don't have to pay much money.
Okay.
By flying over there.
Oh yeah, 1 hour.
And then yes. And then I think also that when the government want to make some buildings, of course, if we still make Jakarta as the capital city. Of course, as we know that Jakarta is smaller than Kalimantan. Then if the government want to build some big buildings, they have to destroy people houses.
Oh yeah,
if we put
that's right.
If we make Kalimantan as the capital city, as we know also that Kalimantan is so wide.
Yeah.
Maybe that's
maybe. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much for that. Yeah. Yeah. Like our yeah. Of course, the animal will run out from the new capital city in Kalimantan.
Put it in the zoo, no problem.
Yeah. Put it in the zoo. Yeah. It's good solution. Yeah, nice solution for you. Yeah.
Indonesia lost about the animal there.
Yeah, that's right. Well, thank you so much for your nice information and nice opinion about the negative and the positive. Okay, so now move to you. So, what is the negative and positive side of that? The same question with before. Okay, time is yours.
Okay. I couldn't really think much about the negative sides actually, because I feel like this has been a great idea to relocating the new capital city to North
it means
Kalimantan.
you support this.
Yes, I really support it, because especially as we live in Makassar, like which is so close to the capital city.
Okay.
So in the near future, like she said before, like we can access the capital city much easier than rather than going to Jakarta. And also I feel like because this is like in the center of Indonesia, so whether people from east or from the western part can easily access the capital city. And also for the people from abroad, so it's closer to
like Malaysia,
Singapore. So I really hope that our capital city is not just center of government, but also can be the new tourist destination for everyone. So maybe you can see that, like in KL, you've been there before, right? So it's like a tourist center in Singapore or Bangkok, Thailand. So I really hope that our new capital city can be a new destination in the a new tourist destination. So people not only think about Bali, but also they will consider Nusantara.
Nusantara, not only Bali.
Nusantara. So I think those are some benefits from this plan. But I think when it comes to negatives effect, I guess it will goes to the environment.
That's right.
Because we know that Kalimantan like has a very diverse
like the main of the oxygen.
Perhaps like the forest and there's like very large forest, and also diverse animals, about biodiversity. So I guess it will give a negative impact to this to them. And also some like local tribes there, if I'm not mistaken, like from Dayak or some ethnics, like because if the new capitals also will attract people from different backgrounds, different ethnics. So in the future it will be so diverse in Nusantara. So maybe that will be decrease the the local culture there, because people are more people are getting mixed. So it's
like a modern era, right?
Kind of like a modern area. So I'm just afraid that if the local custom decrease because of this multicultural.
That's right. Okay, well, that's the danger things of if we move from Jakarta to Kalimantan, of course, because over there are a lot of culture as well, not only like Indonesian, right, but also like Dayak, of course, and the other things. Of course, it could be danger things if we move. But there's also like positive, like what you say before, guys. So now the last session is just like. Do you have like conclusion or motivation or solution about this topic about IKN, like new capital city of Indonesia? Start from you, perhaps. Okay, start from you. You have like conclusion or motivation to us?
Okay,
or solution.
The conclusion about it is better over there to move.
It's better to move.
To move
okay.
over there. Even though just take long time like this one, because we're still waiting for the budget.
Okay, waiting for the budget.
It's good of the location there, because in the middle of our zone, easy to go, like to transit like Malaysia, and then this is for Malaysia just only by flight only 20 minutes from Sarawak to
with
Malaysia,
speed, with speed,
speed easy there, because near North Kalimantan. North Kalimantan including Malaysia too. East Malaysia, Malaysia Timur, like Sarawak and Kuching and other. This is the biggest city over there. Of course, the people can use to kind of their money yeah, ringgit and rupiah.
Oh, we can mix the money actually.
Because my son has ever been the boarding the boarding place, Malaysia and Indonesia used to kind of money to Ingrid and because the kitchen of my how to say my not my son, my nephew there, the kitchen
in Malaysia,
is in Malaysia, and the room and other living room
in
and
Indonesia.
bedroom Indonesia.
So
used to kind of money, ringgit and rupiah.
The unique, that's the unique
but
one.
Malaysia like to go to shopping in Indonesia because there are many supermarket there.
I see.
Yeah, then Sarawak. And this is according to Malaysia said, and the cheaper over there, the cheap one. Yeah, buy everything in Malaysia because now my nephew over there too, more than 10 years. The boarding line of the boarding location, Malaysia and Indonesia. It's good over there, and this is the weather there is fresh everything. Yeah, there is no pollution like Jakarta. Yeah.
But it's still fresh over there?
Yeah, still fresh because not so many car there. Mostly just only how
the
to say
tree.
yeah, this is mostly power.
It's still green,
Of it's good. It's fresh there. Yeah. This is the houses are still long distance. Every house in Indonesia, boarding and North Kalimantan, Malaysia, like Sarawak and Kuching the city, there. And this is I like very much according to the Malaysian people say that Indonesia are friendly there.
I
good,
see.
Good Indonesia.
The character of Indonesian people.
Yeah, when I was taking some time in Umrah said, do you know the storekeeper said most Indonesia very good without bargain, but Malaysia is very stingy.
Okay.
Yeah, according to them, say
according to them, according to them,
okay. In Jeddah and in Mecca and special Medina too say that like this one. Yeah. Most Indonesia very very good. If you want to buy something without bargaining, but Malaysia bargain 50%. Oh, stingy one. According to the keeper of store there.
Okay.
In Jeddah and Medina and Mecca. Yeah. Of course, I like it for the concrete up there to move over there in a new capital city in Kalimantan. But step by step.
Yeah, step by step.
Yes, I suggest the government don't borrow money, don't borrow loan. From another foreign country. It's better used for our budget too. Because every year we have a lot of budget. Because we have a lot of raw sources. Like mining. Sugarcane, rattan, and what is the other gold too? Like Irian, Kendan, we find it. This one. This is a problem.
Well,
20 years later, Indonesia, including the biggest country, the richest one, according to someone said it. When
according to someone,
someone, according to newspaper,
who is someone? Newspaper.
20 years later, Indonesia, including the third richest country in the world. Now still raw material, masih bahan baku. We don't have how to say scientists to explore it. Because mostly our scholar are low, by low, we call low how to say
low budget.
Rendah butuhnya, low quality.
Low quality.
Our space for our scholar.
I see.
Our school only comment or order to someone for his sermonina, bawahannya only use say tie, but for scholar outside directly go down.
The quality of people, right?
The quality of our school in Indonesia is still low because mostly order to someone harus sermonin bawahnya ada perintah different school from our side foreign country directly go like Japan the best. We now never order to someone directly go down even far from there to investigate about the raw material. This is the problem. Indonesia, the likeness of our scholar are
Okay, that's really nice actually. Like you say, we should step by step to move.
But not all of the Indonesia school are just a few.
That's right. Just a few. Just a few.
Mostly.
Okay, thank you so much for your nice opinion. I interest with you talk about like one home in there is in Malaysia and also in Indonesia. Like if I gotta go like take a shower, I go in Malaysia. If I go hang out with my family and yeah, in the room, I go in Indonesia. So in one place there are two countries. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I see. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Because they are spermatic of the borderline.
Okay, yeah, that's right. Okay, thank you so much for that. Yeah, move to you. Okay, do you have any conclusion or motivation or even solution? Yeah, because you're from civil engineering, like what you say before. Okay, do you can give our conclusion? Okay, time is yours.
Okay, well, thank you for the question then. Okay, first of all, like you said, Brother Irwan mentioned before that's Nusantara. The ideas of Nusantara is actually really good because these cities or this capital city is not only representing North Kalimantan, but representing all the places in Indonesia, right? So that's why people don't just know about Bali or about Jakarta, but they will actually, if they come to, for example, foreigners come to Nusantara cities, then they will see that's Indonesia. That's actually representing all the places, all the cultures of Indonesia, right?
Okay.
So then that's actually good things because some people they just only know Jakarta, but they don't know Indonesia, right? They think that they haven't tried to visit other places,
like Bali as well, like Bali as well,
right? But once you come to Nusantara, then you will see Indonesia, right? That's Indonesia because representing many places, right? That's the first. The second one, you shouldn't be worried like this kind of things, this kind of problems will actually happen against like in Jakarta. All the problems move. The problem also move. Right?
The problem also move. Yeah, not only. Okay, that's right. Not only the capital city, but also the problem. Yeah.
I think we shouldn't be worried about that because what they are going to build is a forest city, right? They are about to build a forest city where they still can maintain the natural things in North Kalimantan, and there are a lot of ideas of greenhouse that they're going to build. So any buildings will actually put some trees and that, even in the mall, right? Even a lot of like in other countries, they build in high buildings there are some trees and that.
Okay.
So I think we shouldn't be worried this kind of ideas. All the things as a citizens, for example, all the things that we have to do is just support them.
Just support.
And in try to invite a lot of investors to be place roles on that project. So that's why, and we have to also care to these projects to support, to make everything the construction is safe and everyone, the citizen also feel safe as well with this project.
Okay, thank you so much for that. Yeah, this really nice solution for you. Yeah, okay, move to you. Just two word, the point word, like the golden word. Or what you gonna say? The golden word of Indonesia. Okay, start from you. Okay, the golden word. Two of golden word.
Well, thank you. I don't know this is the golden word or not.
Okay,
but I myself that I agree if Kalimantan make as the capital city because I also see some comments in of netizen in YouTube, in Instagram, and also they agree that when we see back the positive and the negative impact of putting Kalimantan as the capital city, there are many positive effects than the negative effect. So I hope that when Kalimantan becomes the capital city of Indonesia, I hope that people and also government can take care what Kalimantan has.
Okay.
Okay, such as like culture, and I hope that the culture of Kalimantan can be known by not only by Indonesian but by world.
Yeah. Okay.
Then such as and like the animals that stay there and also the island.
Okay.
Maybe that's enough. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that. Yeah, that's right. Okay, just two word of Indonesia. Okay.
2 words.
Yeah, 2 words.
Amazing.
Okay, amazing and
amazing and wonderful.
Okay, and wonderful. Okay, thank you so much. That's really nice discussion tonight because we get a lot of information about Indonesia as well, about history, about the comparison between the other country than Indonesia. and I believe that we can like implement on the future of that. Okay, I hope so. Yeah, we hope so. Okay, and give it applause first. Okay, well, thank you so much. Okay, so smart people in your home, don't forget to listen and watch this video in 101.1 Smartfm Makassar. Okay, and see you for the next video. Okay, goodbye.